Your liver is the most overworked organ in your body. It filters your blood, burns your fat, and gives you energy. But if it's clogged, no amount of exercise will help you lose weight. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your liver in 6 simple steps. By the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap to a faster metabolism and a cleaner body. Let's dive in. Step 1 is identification. Most people have a sluggish liver and don't even know it. Brain fog, constant fatigue, and stubborn belly fat are the first signs. The biggest enemies? Refined sugars and processed seed oils. These silent killers turn your liver into a fat storage machine instead of a fat-burning one. To start the reset, we must remove these toxins immediately. Before we move to the solution, if you value science-backed health secrets, hit that subscribe button and join our Smart Health Hub community. Now that we've stopped the damage, step 2 is repair. Your liver is the only organ that can fully regenerate, but it needs the right tools. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale contain sulforaphane, which activates detox enzymes. Bitters like arugula stimulate bile production. This is how your liver exports fat. Add garlic and turmeric to your meals to reduce inflammation and speed up the healing process. Your liver thrives on these superfoods. Step 3 is daily maintenance. Every morning, your liver needs a flush. A glass of warm water with fresh lemon and a pinch of ginger or turmeric stimulates bile flow and cleanses the toxins processed overnight. This simple ritual wakes up your metabolism and clears your internal filter. Do this every single day before your coffee to see real results. Are you finding this helpful? Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our life-changing health series. Finally, step 4, sustainability. A 6-day reset is great, but a lifetime of health is better. Use intermittent fasting to give your liver a break. When you fast for 16 hours, your liver switches from processing food to burning stored body fat. Combine this with deep sleep and proper hydration, and you will stay in fat-burning mode forever. This is the secret to permanent weight loss. You have the roadmap. The question is, will you take the first step? Start your reset today and share your progress in the comments below. If you're ready to break your sugar addiction next, click the playlist on your screen now. I'm from Smart Health Hub, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. I'll see you in the next video.